Welcome to my channel once again. I am Efogo Joseph, your anchor person at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert your USDT to TON on the Binance exchange. Alright, without wasting our time, we'll have to move ahead. But before we go ahead, if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button so that whenever we upload new videos, you will be notified. All right, thank you for doing that. Let's go ahead to Binance to see how that is done. Okay, this is the Binance platform and we're in the home page. Now, how do you convert your USDT to TON? Okay, so we're going to take a look at this area. Look at this icon. Just click on it. Okay, now that you have clicked on the icon, take a look again at the word convert. So you hit that button and it takes you to where you're supposed to do your conversion. Okay, before you convert, all right, before we move ahead, let me also inform us that it is not only USDT that you can convert to TON. You can convert any coin to TON. Like as we are seeing right now, we are seeing Pepe here. We can convert Pepe to TON if we wish to. So it depends on what coin you actually have. But now that we need to convert USDT to TON, we are going to reverse the order of this presentation. So here we're going to click on this arrow so that USDT will go to the top since it is the one we need to convert to TON. Okay. Now we now click on the paper to open up and choose our TON. You can see it there now. All right. Now we are shown, or what we're seeing here is that we have 10.9311 USDT. So if we are going to use all of them, we will click on max, which is maximum. But if we are not going to use all of them, we will click here and add what we want. So we're going to click and use only one USDT because we're still going to use the USDT for another demonstration in the next video. So one USDT is going to give us 0.17216662 TON. So we will click on trade, which is the yellow button that is highlighted. Trade. Okay. We will confirm. That is it, completed within a matter of 2 minutes or less. So we have converted our USDT to one USDT to 0.17264 whatever TON. So that is how it is done. Congratulations for knowing how to convert your USDT to TON. If you have not subscribed to this this channel, once again, try and hit the subscribe button so that whenever we shoot new videos, you will be notified. And if you find this video interesting and helpful, like it and share it with your friends. And in case you are not in our WhatsApp group where we usually share success tips and other information regarding your airdrops, remember to hit the link there and join our group. Thank you and see you in our next video.